Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, remember that the link to purchase the Waveshare 8.8-inch USB monitor at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This compact and versatile secondary screen is designed to enhance your desktop setup, offering a unique blend of functionality and aesthetics. With an 8.8-inch IPS panel boasting a resolution of 1920 by 480, it provides crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it ideal as a PC case secondary screen or an ambient RGB display. One of the standout features of this monitor is its one-cable Type-C interface, which simplifies connectivity by eliminating the need for multiple wires and doesn't burden your graphics card resources. The CNC metal case in sleek black adds a premium, durable feel to the device, ensuring it withstands daily use while complementing modern setups. The dynamic theme editor software developed by Waveshare allows easy customization with real-time preview, enabling users to tailor the display to their preferences effortlessly. A particularly cool function is the music spectrum analysis, which can use either custom audio files or capture sound via the onboard microphone to display real-time audio visualizations. This makes it not just a useful tool for monitoring system data, but also a visually engaging ambient screen. Speaking of monitoring, it can display a variety of real-time data such as CPU, GPU, memory usage, hard drive status, network activity, and even weather and time information, making it a handy companion for tech enthusiasts and multitaskers. Pros include the high-resolution IPS panel for sharp visuals, the easy single-cable Type-C connection, robust CNC metal casing, and the versatile software that supports dynamic themes and detailed system monitoring. The music spectrum function adds a unique touch that sets it apart from typical secondary monitors. On the downside, the unusual 1920 by 480 resolution might not be ideal for all traditional monitor uses, especially for tasks requiring standard aspect ratios. Also, the screen size is relatively small, so it's best suited for specific uses like ambient displays or system monitoring rather than general productivity. Overall, this Waveshare USB monitor is a great choice if you want a stylish, functional secondary display that doubles as an ambient RGB screen with advanced monitoring capabilities. Don't forget, the link to get this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out now to enhance your desktop experience.